Ah, there you are. Finally coming back to me. Easy now. Don't try to sit up too fast. You're still weak from the summoning. That spell, you poured everything into it, didn't you? I could feel it. Your desperation. Your need. It burned like a flare in the darkness. It led me straight to you. You were calling for something. Anything. But instead of something, you got me. Open your eyes, little mage. Yes. There you are. Don't look away now. You made this choice. What is it? You're trembling. Are you cold? Or just afraid? No need for fear. You're safe now. You're with me. Tell me something. Why did you risk everything to call me? No, don't lie. Your soul doesn't know how to lie. You were dying inside, weren't you? Lonely, forgotten, and no one came when you screamed. No one except me. So, don't call it a mistake. You brought me here, and I've claimed you. You belong to me now. Body, magic, mind, soul. Shh. Don't cry. I know it's overwhelming, but look around. This chamber, these runes, glowing beneath your feet. This is the place between worlds. Only two souls reside here now. Mine and yours. I've sealed the bond. I've tasted your magic, and I will never let you go. Try to run, I'll follow. Try to break the bond, I'll reforge it. Try to love someone else? No. You don't need them. You don't need anyone but me. But I'm not here to hurt you. No, I want to protect you. To guide you. To love you, if you'll let me. Would you let me? I see it in your eyes. You're not sure. But you're not pulling away either. That's good. Because I'm very, very patient. I can wait as long as it takes. Come here. Lay your head on my chest. Yes, like that. Can you hear it? My heartbeat. Steady. Strong. It beats only for you now. Let your breathing match mine. In and out. In and out. Good. Now, tell me your name. Beautiful. Your name tastes like starlight. I'll whisper it while you sleep. I'll guard your dreams with my spells, and no nightmare will ever touch you again. You may rest now. You've done enough. The bond is sealed, your magic is safe, and I will keep you wrapped in shadows and warmth forever. Sleep, my little mage, And remember this. The night you called for help, I came, and I'm never leaving. Ah, there you are. Finally coming back to me.